Whenever I'm in a tough period of life, I think of the sacred symbol of the spiral. I mean, humans have been carving and painting this symbol for centuries. You can find it in Egypt all the way to the Stonehenge. And I find this so beautiful because from as long as we can remember, humans knew that life, energy, and consciousness itself is like the spiral. This is why in the 888 angel number necklace that I'm wearing, I designed it. I decided to surround this number with spirals because it's a very powerful symbol. And whenever I wear this or look at this, I'm reminded that nothing in life is static. It is ever flowing, it's ever evolving. And as humans, we go through phases. We have moments where things are perfectly aligned and everything is falling into place. And then we also have moments where nothing makes sense. The puzzle pieces are just not fitting. We feel like a stranger in our own reality, in our own life story. And both those phases are important because it's what makes you you. Every season of life serves an important purpose. I learned this when I went through a massive heartbreak last year. I didn't understand what was happening, why I was there, but I just trusted. I know that life is a spiral and I will continue to spiral up and down throughout my life. And all those moments will teach me something valuable about myself, about others, and about life itself. So if you're in a difficult season of life, just know that you are at one point in the spiral and this too shall pass. You will spiral up again and maybe you'll spiral down, but you just have to trust the process. You will be okay. So if you'd like to wear the spiral with this powerful angel number 888, the number of abundance and prosperity, check it out at the link in my bio to get it. I can't wait to see you in it. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more.